Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-350 XLT. Coming in this nice darkened bronze coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7-liter Powerscope turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a fifth-wheel hitch prep package. Taking a look at the back here, we got that tow hitch, got some side bed steps with mud flaps on the rear. We do get a Bedliner with this vehicle as well as a tailgate step. We do get a platform gripped running board on each side, mud flaps on the front, heated door mirrors, turn light indicated mirrors, and moving to the front here, we do get license plate bracket, recovery hooks, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably with this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, your 6 additional seat with cup holders. You do get outlets and a 12-volt right there with a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a mostly power driver's seat, with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, power door mirrors, got your lights, spotlights, parking brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 401 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, talking for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we have trip 1, fuel economy, measurements, your comm screen, digital speedometer, all that jazz. Got your cup holders right here, nice little phone slot, storage, your 6 additional seat with the headrest as well. You do get your storage underneath as well, which is pretty handy. Got some storage here with some outlets, 12-volt drive modes, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake. With your climate controls, you got 12-volt and 120 right there. Storage above and below. Storage on the dash. Got 6 Upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please, with a nice powered rear window opener. Looking here, we have our engine brake and a little storage under the infotainment system. You got your hazards and traction and media controls. Looking at our main screen here, we do get our audio, compass and phone, Wi-Fi hotspot. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, if you want it to load, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls. Any apps you may download show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EC24589, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.